Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this outdoor string lights. As you can see, I chose to place them on the ground using those ground spikes that are included. And I have them shine up at the fence. You can also drill them into a fence or other wood if you want to have them directed that way. You can also place them under the eaves of the house so that you don't see the lights at all and you see a nice glow on the house exterior. But taking a look here, this is just dusk right now, so you can just see how bright these things are. You can also do multicolor modes. And overall, I think this is the best color though. And it just looks great in any backyard, really adds a nice spice to it. Illuminates it, so if it's dark, you'll be able to see better in those areas. And also, it's just great for summertime to add an aesthetic to your backyard. So overall, I highly recommend these lights. They're very durable, very high quality, and they go quite far, so they can expand your entire backyard. Thanks for watching.